going. Right, I got the Z1000. The Z1000, we're going to put a set of Akrapovic header pipes on it as well. So I thought I'd just show you from when she comes off the truck. Hey Josh, you're going to jump on the other end of this one.
Okay.
Don't want to wreck it. It's not how we treat you Kawasaki. 2019 Z1000 in the matte sort of grey colour, blackish thing over there. So we'll get the boys to unpack it and we'll chuck some headers on it and we'll show you how.
Oh, there we go, it's working here. It's funny everyone does it different, eh? Got it? No, no. Maybe. So you don't take too long to do that? Get to this point? Easy enough.
So what have we got here? This looks like the 4-in-1. Akrapovic. Sweet. Cool. Just get the battery filled, mate. Just thought I'd show you what's come off the Z1000. Look at this here, you've got your two side exhausts, your mufflers on there. They're pretty weighty, a bit of weight in those jiggers. And your headers with your cat converter and so on in there. This is the standard version of the collars. Now by removing these and putting the standard pipe and stuff on, you pull out just under 10 kilos of weight, so 9.6 kilo weight saving just by taking this off and putting the other one on. You're looking at 6.1 Newton meters of torque and 8 kilowatts and 8 kilowatts of power. So what's 8 kilowatts? About 12 horsepower? I don't know, I'll check it out. So you got 10 to 12 horsepower. Nearly 10 kilos worth of weight, so there's another couple of horsepower through that. So that's what we've taken off. So a really good investment. If you've got a Z1000, you want to get an extra 10, 15 horses out of it, just chuck a set of pipes on it, full system, 4-in-1 Akrapovic. So there we go, that's what we've taken off. I think I could fucking remember that. Oh, you're still filming. I've already got it anyway. Hey, how we going? Aussie Kawiman here. Look, I'm sorry it's been a while. We haven't put many videos up. I've been on holidays, plus other things have been going on. So, but the sun's finally out. It's been raining for about 2.5 months flat out. So, sun's out. The first thing I did as soon as the sun came out, ordered a few sets of the Akrapovic systems for some bikes we got in. Now, this one I got the Z1000, the 2019 Z1000 with a full 4-in-1 Acra system on there. Have a look at that, it's full headers. And your Acra carbon fibre slip-on. Now these guys here, they reduce about 9.6 kilograms worth of weight from the bike and add about 12 horsepower. So a really good thing to do. The full system, titanium system and so on, you're looking at about $2,000, excuse me, $2,000 to do that, but guaranteed at least a dozen horsepower and so on, and 9-10 kilos less weight. So, and it looks really cool as well. So I'm going to start this up for you. Supposed to sound like in the real world, in the world of no bloody, I don't know, all the stuff that we're supposed to promote anyway. So that's your full header system, your Akrapovic pipe. Rightio, so I'm going to chuck the helmet on, I'll do a zip down the street just so you can hear it going down and back. Go from there, no wheelies, no nothing stupid anymore. So we'll do that. Oh, cool. Oh, you're still filming? Oh, you got the new Kawasaki sunnies on at your local Kawasaki dealer. Yeah, $40 Australian. Bloody good. They make you look good, eh? Oh, I better get a dealer plate for this, otherwise I'll get booked. I love these bikes. Quick sound check on it. That's the Akrapovic full system, a couple of grand, chuck it on your Z1000. Really good investment, I reckon. So come and see us, give us a buzz. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, little button down here somewhere. Do all that gear. We'll get some more up. Thanks.